Statue of Unity, an engineering marvel dedicated to the honourable freedom fighter, Iron Man of India Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Statue of Unity gets over 5 million plus visitors annually. Omega is proud to announce the installation of moving walkways at this iconic landmark. The team at Omega Elevators is installing the travelator that 5 million visitors have been waiting for. Watch how your journey will become memorable, not tiring, in just a few minutes. Installation is underway. A step forward in engineering India's future. Mega projects by Omega. From cities in motion. From powering Gujarat's first tri-city connected metro, to powering icons of knowledge and care. One of the fastest elevators of India. Now, proud to rise with India's tallest pride.